আমরা তো সবাই ক্লাসরুমে এন্টার। So, how many people? 24. Achha, I don't know what is the problem with the link, but you can see the nickname is same that I have given. With the same nickname, is that possible to have two different meetings? I don't know. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, I have given that link. That link is same with the link that I have given you is yesterday, but I don't know why these two are not same. So if there is some issues regarding the attending or এখানে আবার admit করার option দিচ্ছে, যাই হোক, entering that one, please before entering I will post a assignment to you, right? So in the assignment, in the instruction, you will find the meeting link and also the meeting code, nickname, and also the meeting code will be provided there. So please check whether that meeting code is same with the code that you are entering. Okay, in meeting code I will also provide you in the assignment, because the assignment will be posted to you before 10 minutes. So there you will find in the instruction the meeting link, meeting nickname, and meeting code. I have not given it today, but from the next day I will give you the meeting code. Be sure that you are entering the meeting with the same code or not. Okay, so that then that confusion will not arise, I think. Clear of you, all of you? So let us start today. So first of all, in that lab, what we are going to do, I think all of you have already downloaded LT Spice software that I have instructed. Is there anyone who have not yet downloaded it? LT Spice software? Yes, response. Is there anyone who has not still now downloaded that LT Spice? So no one. So I am taking that all of you are downloaded that software, right? So now how to work on that and what to do in this lab. First I am going to do that one. Achha, all of you can see my screen. তোমরা আমার স্ক্রিন দেখতে পাচ্ছ তো?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start. So I have given you some instruction manual, right? নেক্সট দিন সুশান্ত দা তোমরা কেউ একজন না মিটিং লিঙ্কটা ক্রিয়েট করো, মানে ফার্স্টে যে ঢুকবে ওইখানে লিঙ্ক দিয়ে না পোস্ট করো, কারণ এই বারবার অ্যাডমিট করতে গেলে আমি আবার স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করতে পারবো না। ঠিক আছে, আমি বলে দেবো মিটিং এর পর। সো নাও that is the instruction that I have given to you, right? Before going to do that, what I am telling that please listen it carefully. I mean, what you are going to do here and how the work will go on. আচ্ছা সবাই ঢুকে যাও তারপরেই বলি, because this is annoying, because once I started I cannot go again back and back. So first of all, in the LT Spice you are going to do the total circuit of the particular experiment. There you will simulate the circuit and will take the results, right? So today we are going to do a circuit on op-amp, that is Schmitt trigger circuit. So for this, the corresponding lab manual has been given to you with the assignment, and again that is something like that already given to you with the assignment. That is, what is the experiment number will be 1 for your case, Schmitt trigger oscillator. What is the objective, working principles are there. That is the theory part, the circuit diagram, output waveform, equipments required, and the observation table and conclusion. So that is the format of writing your lab copy while you are writing the Schmitt trigger experiment. That it totally follow the lab manual for this purpose. Now today, yes Kostav, what is your roll number? Kostav Nondi, you have entered the class. What is your roll number? Kostav, please reply. What is your roll number? So he left. So in the day one, today we are going to do that assignment. So that is your corresponding circuit. That is, we are going to make this circuit in our LT Spice software. There we will run this one and we'll get this output waveform. Okay. So once I make the circuit and then getting the output, now I will complete you will complete your lab copy or assignment following these sequences. That is what is the objective. Write the theory part, that is your working principle, circuit diagram, this one that is given in your lab manual. You don't draw this one because we will put here the, yes you can do it, but it will be totally handwritten. All the thing obviously will be handwritten. You draw it, equipments required, and the observation table and conclusion. So after that you are going to add the screenshot of the experiment, that is a circuit and the corresponding simulation that is present in your screen of the computer. That screenshot you will take and will attach with this one. So after completing the experiment, you will complete this total thing, total according to the lab manual, total experiment, observation table and conclusion. And next page will be the image of the screenshot from your laptop. That is, your circuit is working, that is the corresponding output. Clear? Total thing will be handwritten, so you will take the photo of the handwritten lab copy, also take the photo of your computer screen. So it will be a merged PDF. So that PDF version will be posted against that assignment. My point is clear? Complete this one, then the photo of the screen, total merged PDF will be posted against the assignment.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, do we have to click the photo of this observation table from our screen?
I have already sent this one in the lab manual with the assignment.
No,
So
not from this screen, ma'am. That from Microsoft Word, we have to fill this VCC, lower threshold voltage, upper
you will
threshold
write
voltage.
it in your copy. Okay, handwritten. Everything will be handwritten. No
Okay, ma'am.
photocopies.
Then what should we screenshot then?
Screenshot of the experiment. LT Spice software.
Oh, okay,
There is
ma'am.
your
Okay, I
circuit. There
got you,
is
ma'am.
output. That is, you have done it. Okay, that is the proof of that you have got that result. So that will be along with this copy. Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that is, you have to submit as an assignment. Okay. So this is my first instruction. So that is required because I have posted the lab manual. So obviously handwritten, theory, circuit diagram, output result, and snapshot of the computer screen. Whatever it may be, print screen, or you can use your mobile to take the photo, so that you can get a merged PDF using any PDF scanner or Tiny PDF, whatever you use. Now, what about the submission of your assignment and copy? After doing your lab every day, within 2 hours, you have to complete all that things. Okay. You have to complete your experiment, your LT Spice, and you have to complete your write-up. All that thing you have to complete within 2 hours. I will do one experiment one day, and after that you will complete your lab copy and will post it there. Clear? এবারে এখানে বলতে পারো ম্যাম এত কম সময় তো আমাদের হবে না। ফার্স্ট থিং আমি সেই রিল্যাক্সেশনটা রাখছি যে ফার্স্ট ডে you are not going to submit the lab copy within 2 hours. By today night, that is within 11:59 p.m., you are going to submit that assignment. That is complete write-up, handwritten and with that snapshot. So you are going to submit it. আমি এখানে by the next day বলেছি, but the due time is today. Okay, today midnight, you can say. So, and after the next class, within 2 hours, you have to submit it. Now, for the assessment, that should be also clear যে আমরা এত খেটে খুঁটে পড়ে ultimately কিভাবে মার্কসটা পাবো, মানে for the lab, that is the marks distribution that I have done it for you. That is, first, internal marks 40, exam marks 60. So internals, out of which attendance and lab copy is 20. Okay. Internal assessment is of 20. Viva on the day of exam 20. During regular session it is 20, and experiment 20. I think all of you have seen this page. So how we are going to calculate this? Attendance, obviously, if there are 4 class, if there are 10 marks on attendance, 2.5 for each class. Lab copy, that is basically your assignment submission, because every day you are going to submit your lab copy. So if there are 10 marks on lab copy, 2.5 marks for each day. So basically here is come 5 marks each day. Okay, 5 4s are 20. Internal assessment means you have performed the experiment properly or not. That is given like this, but what we are going to do here, after each experiment, you will share your screen. Okay, teachers are there. They will see whether you have got your output properly or not. Each of you, please share your screen one by one. Once you complete, আমাদের বলবে, মানে tell us that ma'am completed, sir completed, so can I share my screen? Yes, you will then share your screen and show us what is the circuit diagram and what the output you have got. So there are 20 marks, that is each day you are getting 5 marks for this. Viva, on the exam day I will take 20 marks Viva, and that during regular session, that is basically 20. I am not going to take Viva each day. Basically this will be reflected through your internal assessment. Timely submission of assignment, sharing your screen and showing the output, that will also be reflected by this 20 marks. So you can understand each and every day doing experiment, performing experiment, and then submitting assignment is very important, because 20 20 40 plus 20 60 That is 15 marks each day will come from there. On the day of exam, only 20 marks on experiment, 20 marks on lab viva. So do it seriously. Complete the assignment, submit it, and show your output to us. Okay? So এই প্রসেসে আমরা এগোবো, ঠিক আছে? So আর কি বলার আছে এখানে, কিছু বলার নেই। So let us start. So lab copy submission, about the marks, if there is any query you can ask me now, because after that I'm going for another topic, that is how LTSpice is working. So today we are going to do the Smith trigger. That is your circuit diagram, and in the manual, okay, I just that manual. So that is your circuit diagram of the Smith trigger. So what is Smith trigger? If you can remember those things, it is basically a comparator circuit. What is your output of that comparator type of circuit of PAM? This is your output. That is, input is a sinusoidal, and the output we are getting some square of wave. That is some hysteresis loop. I think that term is known to you, hysteresis loop. Jodi mone na thake abar porbe, pore recapitulate korbe. Okay, notes are there in this classroom, so try to follow those notes if you are not clear, because in the viva I will ask those things. So based on that, hysteresis loop, what is hysteresis loop, how we are calculating the hysteresis loop, etc. So we will again recapitulate those things. So if it is your input, we are getting output like this. That means what is happening, it is something comparing experiment we are going to do here. How? If you see a broad view, yeah, see this one. See, here input voltage is sinusoidal. So input voltage, when it is more than 1 volt, it is going from 1 to 0. And a positive 0 now, from positive voltage to some negative voltage. When the voltage of the input is less than minus 1 volt, again it is going from minus to positive. Again plus 1, positive to negative. That means some comparing experiment we are going to perform in the Smith trigger, that is a threshold value we set. Here in this case, it is 1 volt. When the input is greater than 1 volt, greater than that threshold value, the output will switch between plus V saturation and minus V saturation, because at the input, at the op-amp, we have provided 10 plus minus 10 volt for the as a power supply. So within that, those two values, they are fluctuating based on the threshold value. They are comparing the thing, and we are getting the output. So thus, from sinusoidal, I am generating some square wave. Basically, it is an oscillator circuit. So for this purpose, what we are going to use is circuit diagram like this. That is, the op-amp is there, plus minus VCC. Here in this case, I have given 10 plus minus 10 volt, which is added. Output is taken from here. 2 resistors, which are basically used for that setting the threshold value. If you can see, it is 10K, it is 1K. So 1 volt, based on that 2 value, 1 volt is your threshold value. Based on that, it is comparing the input. When input is greater than threshold value, plus VCC, less than this, minus VCC. So like this, a Smith trigger circuit works. Okay. তাহলে এবারে চলো এক্সপেরিমেন্টটা আমরা একটু করি। So how to use the LTSpice? First, I am giving that demo. So in your desktop, I think all of you have that type of icon, LTSpice X511. So double click on that, and you will get a window like this. Okay. So now, here you can see file, view, tools, and help. So where we are going to draw the circuit. Listen carefully. Hey, you steps to dekhe now. New sim schematic is there. So I am going to click here. New schematic. So a clean board is present. You save it as in your workspace where you want to save it. Save it as like Smith trigger. Okay. Save. Now I am going to draw the circuit. ফার্স্ট আমি একটু বলে দিই এখানে কি কি আছে। ফাইলস, এডিট, এগুলো ছাড়ো, এখানে যেটা তোমাদের মেইনলি লাগবে, দিস ওয়ান ফর দ্য ওয়্যারিং, this one for the ground, this is for level net that I will discuss, this is your resistors that will be used in the circuit, this is your capacitor, inductor, diode and other components. So first let us start with a op amp, right? So for this I am checking, first I am clicking on that. Okay, so a window is coming. There you can see there are a list of components. I will select op amp from there. Okay, now I have to select the model. So here I have chosen AD8034, then press OK. Something like that will come. Click on the board, so it will move. মানে set there. Now দেখো আবার আসছে, মানে again I have to place another or not. For this press escape, then it will go. Press escape, then it will go. Okay, next I need some resistors. So I am taking 2 resistors. So here I am clicking and 2 resistors like that are added. Okay, now abar to are no more resistor is required, so press escape. আচ্ছা আমি এখানে বলে দিই, ধরো অনেক সময় রেজিস্টার্সটাকে রোটেট করে ইউ হ্যাভ টু পুট ইট ইন দ্য সার্কিট, সো কন্ট্রোল আর উইল রোটেট দ্যাট রেজিস্টার, control R, or you can use this one, that button, rotate. Okay, so anyone you can use. Next, what I need, a voltage source, some ground like this. So for this I am completing my this one. A ground is ground from there, a connected, and no more ground. So this, where I will get it from here, click on that, then move to the next point. ঠিক আছে, ওয়্যারিংটা কিন্তু এইভাবে হবে, ক্লিক করবে, মুভ মুভ, ক্লিক, at every bend you will click, then it will show you the thing. Acha, now if I want to remove any extra component, if there is anything present, there is a cut, দেখো একটা scissor type of sign is present there, so using that you cut it, মানে the extra component that is present in your circuit you can cut. Okay, scroll down এর জন্য click and then scroll down, then the circuit will scroll up and down. Now what I need, so from there the output is connected like that. Okay. So output is connected. Now I have to label this V0 output, right? Now again connection ta ami kore ni, click on the where, click, click. Okay, so that wiring portion is complete. Escape. Now I have to label it, suppose V0. How I will label it? There is a knob, you can see this one tab, label net. Click on that. Click here, right here, the point V0, the name you want to give at that point. Okay, so now keep it, put it here. Just click করে দেবে ওখানে, মুভ করি, move and click. Next thing, in the circuit, no more, so escape. If wiring is present, click, click, click here. So this is another connection that is present. In the input, I will give you some sinusoidal input. So for this, again, I am going to the component. Here you write supply. Achha, I have selected op amp, that's why. Yeah, now it's coming. There is voltage. Okay, যদি এক্সাক্ট ওই সার্কিটের মতো চাও, you can also search for battery. If voltage is added, something like this will come. If you add some battery, same thing can be done with the voltage source also, by making it a DC voltage source, by changing its value. Again, you can search for battery, so that thing will come. And this is basically for the DC one, and here you can set, make it a DC or AC, whatever you want. So আমি general এটা নিলাম, যদিও তোমাদের অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের সার্কিটে it is given, you can use this one also. Okay, no issue. So I don't want this, so remove that extra component by the scissors. Now what to do? Here I have to put that 2 voltage source, right? So at this 2 point I have to give that plus VCC and minus VCC. So if I going to add this here, it will be cumbersome. The circuit will be something haphazard and cumbersome ho jabe. So for this, what we are going to do, I am going to use some label net. Suppose this is termed as plus VCC. Okay, so I am putting the point named as plus VCC. Same point is this one. Sorry. Level net plus VCC, this one and this one. Okay, so these 2 points are same. Level net, the utilization of that level net is this one. This 2 point is now same. Now this will be grounded, so I am adding the ground point here. Okay, this is your minus VCC. So again I am using the level net minus VCC. Okay, and here also minus VCC. Escape. Scroll up and down by clicking this one. Mouse take click kore scroll up and down, then the circuit will move together. This one grounded. So I have connected plus VCC and minus VCC. Okay, in the circuit. Now in the input I will again add another source supply. So I am again checking for supply. Okay, supply voltage, better write voltage, এখানে যেহেতু voltage নাম আছে. So that will be connected with, again, where? With the input. ঠিক আছে, হলো? The down portion of that one negative is grounded. Okay, so I have connected the input also. Escape. So suppose I want to move some part. এই লেখাটা এখানে আসলে আমার সার্কিটে কিছু প্রবলেম হবে. So there are 2 options, move and drag. Okay, if I drag, click on that, select the area and drag, and you can move the right up. Or again also for any suppose this supply you want to move, select and move. So for this one is your drag. Click and select and then move. Click, select, move. Okay, now I have to now assign the values for different resistors and those supply. Here we have used plus minus 10 voltage as plus VCC and minus VCC. So I have to assign this. Escape. So here a hand signal is coming. So when it is coming, click on the right click on that. Write here 10 volt. 10 volt you don't want to, you need not to write it. Okay, so it will be assigned 10 volt. Here right click, this is minus 10 volt. So minus 10. So it is assigned minus 10. Okay, so here I am getting plus 10 voltage, here I am getting minus 10 voltage. That is clear. Now I have to change the value of the resistance. So again, right click on that. You can see a window where you can set, suppose this is your 10K. Okay. Again, right click on that. This is your 1K. Okay. Now next, so these two are set, this one set, these two resistance are set. Now input voltage that I have to set. ঠিক আছে, তাহলে চলো করি সেটাকে সেট। আচ্ছা এখানে, আচ্ছা পরে বলছি। Click on that again, right click. Now if we want to give some DC voltage, so this window will be enough, but I want to give some sinusoidal as an input, right, for the Smith trigger. So I will go to the advanced. Once I will click on that, a window like this will come. Here different type of input that you want to give, that is pulse input, regular rectangular waveform or sinusoidal, whatever you want to give, you have to select this one. So for this case I am selecting sinusoidal. Okay. Now the amplitude of the AC I'm setting it as 1, and here DC offset, amplitude, and this one you have to set. Okay. Again I am clicking this. So here suppose the frequency is kept 500 Hertz, DC offset, no DC offset, amplitude is 1. So you will get something like this. একটু drag করে নি এটাকে, দেখতে ভালো লাগছে না। This one. Here. That specification is given in your circuit. Okay, মানে ম্যাম কত frequency রাখবো, কি রাখবো, you can set it by yourself, but I have given a specification. You will also try for other specification, it will give you the same result, যদি ঠিকঠাক ভাবে সেট করে থাকো। সব সার্কিটে হবে না। So now I have completed my circuit. Okay, so this is my circuit. Now I have to run this one. তার জন্য কি করব, চলো দেখি। আচ্ছা ফার্স্ট I will save it, সেভ করলাম। This is your file, save and all that. This is your edit. Here also you will get those component যেটা এখানে দেওয়া আছে in this one. Hierarchy, this is not required for the time being. Now simulate. Simulate means basically we are going to run this circuit. Here there is an option run. You will run it, a window like this will come. That is, we have to give some commands for the simulation. What are the options available here? You can see there is a transient, AC analysis, DC sweep. No, these things are not required, but for the time being just know about the transient analysis and the AC analysis. Here we are going to use transient analysis first. Okay, so transient analysis I have to set some parameters. আমি একটা analysis করব। Here transient analysis means what? With time how the output is changing, right? With time how the output is changing, in the x axis there will be time, in the y axis there will be your output, যেটা দেখতে চাও তুমি। So the time we have to set, that is up to what time I want to see this one, that you have to provide it here. Okay, so that one stop time is, suppose I want to see it for 50 millisecond, m for milli, micro jonno u, nano jonno n. So milli, time to saving data 40 millisecond. I am telling what is the meaning of that, and this is I am setting 0.1 milli. What are those things? I will measure up to 50 millisecond. আমি একটা output দেখবো, output is varying with time, up to what time I will check for 50 seconds. Okay, now data, when it will start to save the data, first 40 second data I will not check. I will check only for 40 to 50 for that time span. So time to start saving data is 40 milliseconds, stop time 50 milliseconds, and maximum time step mane it will plot something, so with how many points it will take, basically this one. So that is set is 0.1 millisecond, and I will apply OK. So something like that will appear. Okay, so now where is my output? If you now move it, দেখো একটা red mark আসছে, that is your probe where you want to check the output. So if I click on this, দেখো একটা red color probe দেখতে পাচ্ছ where my cursor is moving. So I will click on that. I will then the output will show. Now corresponding input obviously I have to check. So again I am moving my probe and clicking at that point. So that is my input. Okay. So the blue line is your input. Corresponding output is your that rectangular line. So that is your output. Clear? Clear? So this is your complete simulation. So that snapshot of this screen is required. That is, the circuit diagram will be there, output waveform will be there, and obviously you will save it in your name. When it's Smith trigger hyphen your roll number, so that I can check whether the things are unique or not. মানে মেবি যে সবাই এক রকমের ছবি তুলে দিয়ে দিলে আমার ছবিটাই তো তুলে দিয়ে দিতে পারো তোমরা, প্রিন্ট স্ক্রিন মারলে হয়ে গেল ম্যাম। বাট আমি তো এখানে একটা নামে ইউজ সেভ করেছি। অল অফ ইউ প্লিজ সেভ ইট ইন এ ডিফারেন্ট নেম। সো ফর দিস পারপাস ইউজ স্মিথ ট্রিগার হাইফেন মানে আন্ডারস্কোর অর হোয়াট এভার, আন্ডারস্কোরই ইউজ করবে, বাকি কিছু ইউজ করলে হয়তো নেবে না। আন্ডারস্কোর ইয়োর কমপ্লিট রোল নাম্বার, college roll number. Okay, so those things will be different. Clear?
Ma'am,
What to do? Bolo.
ma'am, can you explain once the simulation?
Okay, I am again explaining. Cross column. So I have made this circuit completely. Next thing, I want to go for the simulation. So there is the option simulation. I have go to the run. Oh, এখানে আমি already set করে রেখেছি তো, that's why it is not showing. আচ্ছা এখানে সেট করা যায়, আবার দাঁড়াও আমাকে দেখতে দাও। এডিট সিমুলেশন কমান্ড, মানে যে কমান্ড আমি এখানেই পাবে, দেখো সিমুলেট, simulate. If I want to change the timing, আমি তো এখানে 40 to 50 দিলে I want to change the timing. So there is an option edit simulation command. Suppose I want to take it for 60 and start time is suppose 50. Maximum step is 0.1 millisecond. Okay, এই দেখো এই ডট ট্রান্স এটা আসবে, ঠিক আছে? এই কমেন্টটাও তোমাদের সার্কিট ডায়াগ্রামে দেওয়া থাকবে, কিন্তু তোমরা নিজেদের মতো সেট করে দেখবে। ওকে, করলে নাও সিমুলেট, রান। As I am or observing the time response, that's why I have to set that time. What is your initial time? What is your stop time? Okay. তো ইনফাইনাইট টাইম ধরে সব চলতে থাকবে সেটা তো হয় না, একটা টাইম অবধি তো প্লটটা দেবে। সো দ্যাট ওয়ান, দিস ওয়ান। সো নাও ওয়ান্স আই মুভ টু দ্য সার্কিট, একটা দেখো রেড কালারের প্রোব, সাম রেড কালার প্রোব ইজ কামিং। সো ক্লিক অন V0 or on that line, click করবে। সো আউটপুট উইল বি দেয়ার। If you want to check input, click, input is there. If I want to check what is the voltage here at the middle of this, click this one. Any point you want to check what is your input and what is your voltage, you just click on that, the thing will come. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay. So that we are going to do today. আচ্ছা আমি করেছিলাম আগে একটা সার্কিট মানে সিমিলার টু দিস ওয়ান, দাঁড়াও দেখাই। So something like that .asc file, মানে এটা সেভ হবে .asc, but you will save it in your name, মানে ধরো স্মিথ ট্রিগার like that. Suppose 9 কি তোমাদের রোল নাম্বার ধরো 305 এরকম যা নাম রোল নাম্বার। ওকে, সো সো আমি এটা আগে একটা করা ছিল, মানে যেখানে সেভ করবে সেটা দেখে নিও, ওয়্যার ইউ আর গোয়িং টু সেভ। এই জিনিসটা ওখানে আসছে, প্রত্যেকটা সার্কিটে এটা দেওয়া আছে, হোয়াট ইজ উইল বি দ্য সেট আপ অফ ইউর সিমুলেশন। নিজেরা চেঞ্জ করে করেও দেখতে পারো, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। সো দ্যাটস হাউ LT Spice is working. Okay, is that clear? আর কি বলার আছে আমার, দেখি দাঁড়াও। So now what today we are going to do experiment number 1, that is your Smith trigger circuit. That circuit is given, এখানে battery given, you use voltage supply, just ওটাকে DC voltage 10 volt minus 10 volt set up করো। Okay, same thing, ব্যাটারিও ইউজ করতে পারো, নো ইস্যু। সো দ্যাট ইজ ইউর করেসপন্ডিং আউটপুট ইউ উইল গেট। আচ্ছা, ডু দ্য ফার্স্ট এক্সপেরিমেন্টস টুডে। ওকে, অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমাদের তো অনেকটা টাইম আজকে চলে গেল এই মিটিং সেট আপের জন্য। সো দ্যাট এক্সপেরিমেন্ট উইল নট বি ডান টুডে, the triangular wave generation, we will do it later. Okay, so only for experiment number 1, do the circuit, run and show us the output. Okay, সবাই কিন্তু দেখাবে, টিচাররা আছেন, বলবে, দেখবে। ঠিক আছে, চলো কমপ্লিট করো, এবং উইদিন 12 টুডে মিডনাইট সাবমিট ইউর অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট। চলো, তাহলে আর তো কিছু বলার নেই। আর কিছু বলার আছে? সুশান্ত দা, অদিতি দি, সুশান্ত স্যার এন্ড অদিতি ম্যাম উইল বি দেয়ার ফর ইউর অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্স ইফ দেয়ার ইজ। হ্যাঁ, এটা করুক, হ্যাঁ, তারপর দেখা হবে। ঠিক আছে, তোমরা সবাই করো, এবং কোথাও স্টাফ হলে আমাদের জানাও।
Hello students, I have taken your attendance. Rule number 60 are present there, and rule number 87.
Sir, your voice is echoing.
I have taken your attendance, but rule number 60 and rule number 87, they are not present. Okay, confirm it. Rule number 60, are you there? And rule number 87, these two are absent. Okay. Okay. Do your work.
Bye.